It is a new day, and we will today, on this beautiful occasion, look at some mermaid code, and I think I will do as well a follow-up video on this because this is quite a very nice thing to do, and we can use mermaid code to do some general flowcharts, for example. Here, mermaid code examples. So if you have here images, so you can see anything with Mermaid Code. You have some of those process diagrams, and you have also some other opportunities with this. You can even map some big databases, and I will show this in a follow-up video. But for that occasion now, today, we will use here a Mermaid Code editor, and I was just trying to do this one here and I have something prepared already. So we have here a sequence diagram. So a sequence diagram can be used for example, using here traveler, airline, hotel, and destination. There's 4 points, and we have between the traveler and the airline, then we have the book and the flight. So this is the first sequence. And then the next thing would be that the confirmation goes back to the traveler, and then the traveler is doing the hotel room, and then booking details coming back, checking online, board the flight. This is a valid traveler, so you can map here. So and explore and enjoy arrive. So you can map here every possible connection in nice easy diagram, very easy to digest, and the things you have seen in the examples on Google are those here. So let's do it new, something like this. So we have here the decide to travel, and then we want to choose a destination, and then beach, city, nature. So, for example, this is like a sequence what you would do, and this is pretty handy if you want to prepare something for a meeting and you need to visualize this. So you can quickly give your documentation into some AI and say, please give me flowchart, for example, and then people will be able to see. So another thing is a mind map. So we have a mind map here for very basic stuff, and you see how easy the code is and how nice it looks because it's so well done. And for example, we have the route is the travel parking, and then around it, we just wrap those things with different indentations. So this is basically doing all this stuff. So if we do shirts back, then the shirts will suddenly turn into here, and the clothes are the only ones. And if you want to do some other thing, you can, for example, put the shoes on the next level, and then you can put something else. So like this, and it will automatically adapt. And two more. It's not over yet. We have also Gantt chart. So, for example, the Gantt chart, you have here some kind of timeline with different time periods booked, basically. So the depart would be arrive at station, which takes exactly this amount of time. So, and you can just easily put here all the information. And last but not least, we have here the LR diagram. And this is, for example, for Heathrow CDG Fiumicino, which is the airports. So yeah, in general, you can map here in a kind of some kind of lush relations, and yeah, this is also possible. And for example, if we put here another one behind, then it would lead back to Heathrow, but London 2 would then lead back to something else. Ah, actually, no. Yeah, I have to look into it a little bit. LHR. Ah, okay, maybe. Oh, like this. Okay. So this is the code basically, and this is what will be displayed. So if you want to add here to the Tokyo Haneda another one, then we go here, do this, do on There you go. There's a 1-1. So in general, those kind of stuff, Mermaid Live Editor, anything on the web will do it. Will do it. You have multiple ones, so it's it's quite nice, right? If you didn't know, check it out and give it a shot. It's very useful. It's very nice and powerful. And yeah, let's see how it works. And yeah, we will catch up again. And I will be happy to provide you with some new insights. Okay, see you later. Bye.